Hi everyone, this is Happy Rich Mama. It's always fun to visit a garden. Thank you for coming by to my channel. I'm happy to be your friend. Do subscribe if you haven't yet, and please click the notification bell.
Ito, ano mga yan? Yan ba yung tinutukoy mo?
Silong.
Malaki din yan.
So magkano yan?
May 250 po, may 200.
Silong.
Nasaan yung 200 yung matataba eh?
We had to pass by Carizza in Longos, Bulacan. We did make some small purchases of the fiddle leaf by Tess, and I had blue iris and a curly shade plant, and Maricel also bought some blue iris and Podocarpus or Maki by Beo.
Ano yan yung Miyagos?
And Ate Vicky bought a really nice
Saan ba kayo pupunta?
yucca. In our search for a restroom, we were led to this beautiful house. It was wide open. I think it's an entertainment area by the owners of Carizza. We have so much fun going around gardens and buying this and that. That already is great bonding for us seniors. Time to record memories, happy memories of the Happy Mamas Lives group bonding once more in a tour to Carizza Garden. Thanks Maricel and Beo for tagging along. Travels, gardens, Ikinobo, Ikebana, zero waste gardening, making money, painting, family, friends, prayers. Please like my video. Please ring the bell below for notifications. Naku, maraming salamat po sa inyo.